it's Ashray here. Today we are going to see how to activate HTTP calls in React Native. First of all, I just want to give you a difference between what is HTTP and what is HTTPS. So now I have two URLs. As you can see that this URL gives you the response in the form of JSON, but it's unsecure. That's why it's giving you this symbol and it's a sign of HTTP call. Okay, and now let's give you the example of HTTPS. As you can see this response, and here HTTP is there. So with this example, as we can see that there's a difference. This is a normal HTTP call, but this is HTTPS call, where so the difference between them is this is an unsecure call and this is a secure call. So now, so in React Native by default HTTP call is not activated. Just you can only take response from HTTPS call but not from the HTTP calls. So today we are going to see that how to activate HTTP calls in React Native. Okay, so first of all let's open our application. This is the basic structure of React. So I think you're familiar with the structures because when you make a new application you will get this simple format. So now I will show you what the output is. So I will show you in the emulator how it looks like. It looks something like this. Welcome to React Native, just a normal thing, nothing else. So now let's start with the I have some code snippet. I'll copy paste this thing. So now as you can see that this is a normal function which is having a thing called REST call. Here this is HTTPS REST call I'm trying to do with this. Okay, and in the response I will get a response JSON. So here instead of return I will do console.log. Data equals to comma, then this response JSON. Now let's call this syntax error 17. Submit. I don't need to put this keyword first. As you can see this is run. Now let's go to the console and check what we get as a response. So first let's write data. So now I think we got, oh we didn't got because we have not called it anywhere. So now we'll call this REST call. Now let's run the application again. As you can see that all the JSON response from this place we are getting. Okay, so it's equivalent to this response. Okay, whatever the data is here, the same data we are getting there. Now let's check about the HTTP call. Okay, so now as you can see that this is the HTTP call. So now I will put this in here. So now let's check for the response. I will open simulator, do a reload, and here you will get an exception, network request failed. Why you are getting this exception? Because by default HTTP call is not allowed. You have to activate HTTP call because it's a unsecure call. That's why IO React don't allow this call. So now how to reactivate it is very easy. First you have to go to this iOS folder and info.plist. Okay, here as you can see there is something called NS app transport security. Okay, in this place you have to remove this part, this particular list. Just remove this thing. Instead of this you have to paste, not paste, or you can type also the particular response, call this one, this. So this you can write, this is ns arbitrary loads, okay, which is enabled as true. So after saving this you can go to your xcode. There it is, sorry, it's in the project folder, info.plist. So here you can see allow arbitrary loads, it's set as yes. So it means it will now allow you the HTTP calls. Now let's reload this again. Emulator, network request failed again. Oh, sorry. I think I need to restart. So what we need to do first, close the emulator, quit. Then again rerun it. Now as you can see, you're getting the response here. So before it's telling you network error, now it's telling you the response. It's giving you the response. Sorry. So as you can see how to activate HTTP calls in the React Native.